NGO and is the male target support. Though she's been in the field a while, that's all we know. Not much intel on her abilities. Our client this time around is the NGO she works for, and her sponsor was the Male Targets Corporation.